All right, guys. So check this out. I went to the thrift store the other day and I found this radio. Normally, I wouldn't take a radio like this. Uh, I was looking through the electronics aisle and I was like, "Oh, cool, a radio." Then I kept walking and then I was like, wait a minute. So I went back and yeah, I was, what is that thing? And it's a cassette player on the bottom. See? So it wasn't that expensive, like super expensive, but that I got it. I got it anyways, and I was like, I'll just check it out. Maybe I'll make a video out of it. Maybe it just need a belt, you know. So yeah, I tested it. The radio works, and I tested the cassette player itself, and it's not working. I think like it wants to work, but I think it obviously needs a belt. So I'm gonna check it out for the first time. Maybe we can get a belt for it. I have opened other radios before, but they're all different, so I don't know if it's gonna be hard to open this one or not. It seems pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna get these screws off. And I think these three screws right here, those are for the actual mechanism, cassette mechanism. So we're gonna see what's up with that. And the sound, it's kind of like okay. It's not too loud, but it's not too too low, you know. But it sounds alright, I guess. Oh, there's another screw right here. I don't know if I need to remove that, but I'll remove it because it doesn't want to come off. Alright, let's try one more time. Nope. Alright, I'm gonna remove the knobs. Maybe that's in the way. remove those tiny screws for these switches right here. If it doesn't work, then I think I'm gonna have to remove this tray right here. All right, let's try it one more time. Nope. You know what? I'm gonna put those back because I don't think I was supposed to remove these ones. I think I'm gonna have to remove this after all. I don't know if I'm supposed to, but I'm just gonna do it. Nope, I don't think I was supposed to do that either. And now the cassette deck is loose inside. Oh, there you go. guess I removed this one too. I'm just trying to see if there's another screw right here or something. There you go. Just two of them. All I want is access to the cassette deck so I can replace the belt. And it's under this thing right here, this board. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna put those back because I can see that it's got two screws on the bottom. And I think if I remove those two, it'll be easier to remove this thing. Okay. I'm gonna remove the two screws from the other switch that I was gonna remove too. I actually need to remove them. Okay, that's one. And that's two. And then the two screws are right here. There's one right here. I think this is for the screen. There's one. And then there's two with this one. Okay, now I can remove the screen now. There you go. And that's gonna give me access to the cassette deck. Okay, I think I need to remove this thing too. Okay. It's two belts. It's a flat one and a square one that goes on the bottom right there. It is an amazing mechanism though. All metal. Wow. Alright, so this is gonna be part one. I'm gonna make a second part and I'm gonna show you, just to not make this video too long, and I'm gonna make a second part and I'm gonna show you how I replace the belt and if it's working. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.